Okay, guys, welcome back to Jay's Strategies, where we bring you the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more. Guys, we definitely have a day today in the market. Okay, Bitcoin bulls are in. As you see, we are tagged. Yes, good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning to you guys. Good morning to everybody across the board. Guys, welcome. Let's go ahead and get set up and hop right into crypto news. Okay, guys. All right, so as you can see, we're going to hop on over to the coin market cap. And we're going to get started here with some crypto news live. We're going to do some shout outs. We're going to do some plays. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the overall cryptocurrency market cap. Oh, yes, shout out today. Shout out goes out to Piggy Inu in the house. We'll take a stop back and we'll take a look at that. But let's go ahead and hop into the charts. And the overall cryptocurrency market cap is at $940 billion. So we are sitting below that 1 trillion mark. 24-hour volume is at 138 billion. So the volume's been really high. A lot of this movement, like we talked about, is coming from the stable coins back into Bitcoin when Bitcoin wicked out to the 20K level. Bitcoin coming in at 22,144, down 6.39%. Ethereum coming in at $1,199, down 2.34%. Top two stablecoins, USDT and USDC. Overall market cap on USDT is 71 billion. Overall market cap on USD coin is 54 billion. Volume on USDT is 100 billion almost, and 11 billion on US dollar coin. So US dollar coin has been picking up on their volume actually, and so has BUSD too. Look at that, almost $10 billion in volume on BSD. Binance now at 222. Sitting at that 0.74, down 20 for the 7 days. We definitely did move some more money into BNB today, guys. We did some DCA for BNB. Cardano at 49. Okay, Cardano had that wick out and a pump right back up to that 50-cent mark. So there was some bulls on the sidelines waiting to pick up Cardano. XRP, nice, good stopping volume candle came in and it's holding us at that 31-cent level. Solano at 29.56, back bounced off that bottom part level and looks like we're testing retest right now. Number 10, Doge is at number 10 still. That's interesting. To the moon, guys. Crypto news. Let's go ahead and hop into the charts. Like we said, we will do a shout out. Let's go ahead and hop into Piggy Inu shout out. Hold on. On the wrong type here. Okay, so as you can see, we have Piggy Inu up 20%. Nice. Look at that. Bullish, especially in the markets today. You could stop on by their website. Staking is going live soon. We definitely rock out with you guys. You guys can hop it on over to the Telegram page also and rock out with us. And just remember, I'm bringing you the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more, guys. To the moon! I know you guys love that. There you go. Just for you guys. Hop on over. We got a bunch of different shorts going on, a bunch of different crypto news. You can see our live feeds and much, much more, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button and don't forget to support us because we love you. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the charts. You can see that I have my charts open here and I am actually on the 1 hour chart right now and it may look a little busy, but I'll turn this off for you. I use a indicator that is the hybrid system. So we're going to go ahead and talk about that right now. Okay, so Bitcoin on the 1 hour. Below this 50 EMA, okay? So you can see how we're coming back to the 50. Anytime we go below and there's a gap on the 50 in the 1 hour and the 4 hour, this is the times for buy-ins, okay? We want to make this back up to that 50 EMA bounce, retest it, and then we can get a bullish confirmation back to the upside. If we don't get that movement, you see these wicks out here, so it could come back down even to the M1 level, which is 19K. So keep that in mind. We did bottom out right here at 20.7. Okay, very, very high volume coming into the market. You see that right there? Everybody had their buy orders triggered at that 20K level. Massive volume for Bitcoin coming in at that 20K level. Bitcoin maxis to the max were buying in, guys. You take a look at this. You see that volume? Intense. When's the last time you've seen volume with so much in a row at this time? You know, you can go back in the charts and you can see. So definitely all those triggered orders in here at the 20K level. Definitely bullish for Bitcoin. Ethereum now below that. Well, we said, yeah, 1100 when we talked about it yesterday. And you can see that when we pulled below it right here and we came down to the damn near the M1 pivot zone, which is 1050. So right now, Ethereum's sitting right at this level right here on the 1 hour, okay? And it looks like we're going to pump back towards some of these averages. Let's go ahead and look at some EMA ribbons. We're below on the 1 hour. Let's go ahead and look at the Bitcoin so you can see how this has been playing out. We're going to go to a longer term time frame, and we're going to show you on the daily. So we did wick out to 2020 levels. Definitely a bunch of orders that have been set in place were triggered all the way from December when Bitcoin was the last time. This is when everybody was bullish, saying Bitcoin to the max. So we did come down and touch that 20K level that when we did actually twist those EMA ribbons back in April and we talked about this, we were like, what's going to be the level we bounce? Everybody thought that 28 or 30K level. Well, shaky hands, shaky market, ended up putting us to that 20K level. So let's hold on and hope, because all we can do now is rock out with Bitcoin. You see that one giant candle right here? So sell off with then intense buying, okay? Dollar index today, 105, screaming high. You know what that means for Bitcoin. When that happens, markets are pulling back on crypto, okay? Gold right now, actually a slight pullback. So people are actually buying into those riskier assets now that they're bottoming out. Total overall cryptocurrency market cap, you can see we fell below right here, the 1.1 trillion mark. And then after that, we were definitely heading for the minus marks there. This is all that volume that came in the crypto market during that UST massacre. So that's what pumped us there. So I'm saying, like, if that whole thing didn't happen, we probably would be at the 1.25 trillion. But because of the sequences of events that's been happening in the markets, this is where we're at. Bitcoin dominance at 45%. Look, you can see Bitcoin dominance actually shot up and then pulled back. So it's interesting to see that. U.S. Tether dominance, people are moving money into U.S. Tether like crazy. So there's massive money on the sidelines sitting and waiting. We did some DCA BNB today because you see our main levels we watch on the daily. We're more of a long-term holder. So as soon as I seen that 220, 219 levels, go scoop up a few more BNB, because this will definitely head back towards the 600, towards 1K. You know, I'm definitely bullish on BNB. I love Binance, working with a whole bunch of projects, know their blockchain in and out, know all the transactions, definitely bullish here. I want to see BNB heading back to some good levels. But we are in a trading sideways market. We will be probably for the next couple months. But this is a great time to accumulate, get into new projects, get into new bullish movements, and just, rock out, guys. Make sure to do your own research. Make sure to always pay attention to what you're doing in the market. And make sure just to follow the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys, for all the love and support. XRP, you can see, sitting here at 31. And we talked about that. Our 40-cent level was blown out the water because of this dip. So now we're at our 30-cent level, which is excellent accumulation. We are in XRP. We just talked about Doge. Doge still sitting at the number 10. So some of these people that brought in heavy into Doge when it was at 5 cents last time are still holding on to it. Hoorah to Elon Musk if you're still holding on to all your Doge, man. So definitely the bottom of the EMA ribbons, and the 7 cents level was the level that we were watching for Doge. So if you do want to, just make sure to always do your own research and follow the markets, okay? Cardano, we talked about this. So massive volume came in when Cardano wicked down to these levels right below this 50 cents. So you can see there's been some really big whale accumulations. Babyswap, always shout out. Baby token, baby's down right now. That's because the market's down, but it's definitely bullish overall. Structured, the Babyswap IO. You could follow some of my YouTube videos for Babyswap. Yes, guys. We're going to be doing some promos and stuff coming up soon, too, for the channel. So don't forget to start liking now and start following all the videos now, because we're going to be dropping some of our top shillers and our top tweeters and everybody that tags all of our top accounts throughout Twitter. We got a couple little Twitter team. You'll see everybody that tags J Strategies at Trades for Radio. Make sure to tag us with BSC Gems, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance. Tag at Trades for Radio. To the moon! Just for you guys. Avalanche sitting here at 16. So we did break below that $20 level that we were calling for. So I didn't accumulate anything in Avalanche yet. I want to watch for the next few days to see what happens to the market. Solano, we didn't really accumulate any more Solano. We are still holding our Solano, and I won't sell it for a loss. I'll hold on to it and monitor Solano more. Solano, you know, they've had scrutiny, but there's always those NFTs, all those different marketplaces, and they're still building on it. So that's why I don't see it going anywhere. Okay, Phantom. I don't know if you guys know the whole story behind Phantom and everything like that, but look, there's been some really high volume actually in Phantom. So there's been some big players actually right now buying into Phantom now that it's at these levels from the 2021 levels. So, you know, they're expecting Phantom to shoot back up to $3. Hey, it's definitely possible. You know, they did lose some of their you know, credibility coming down here, but hey, man, you know, people pick up and you know, these layer 1, layer 2 projects, man, definitely bullish. Okay, Matic, Polygon, I would still be bullish. I'm still holding my Matic. I haven't started to accumulate that. I want to see a retest, and I want to see on the lower time frames us start to flip the EMA ribbon, and I want to see us start to get on top of it and bounce along there, you know, and then that's when I'll start to accumulate more. Shiba Inu, I saw a lot of talk about Shiba Inu actually, and Shiba Inu on the 1 hour looks like it wicked out, and then they had some really high volume, but then they had some pressure, people talking, you know, in the different communities. So you can go ahead and stop by and check that out. Let's go ahead and look at the news actually today for Bitcoin. Taxes of top concern behind Bitcoin salaries. Yeah, exactly. So that is definitely a big thing. How are you going to be paying taxes on your Bitcoin and your crypto if you're getting paid in Bitcoin salaries? So there's so many people that are getting paid now and wanting to get paid in Bitcoin. That's really interesting because that'll cause an inflow of these companies to have to buy Bitcoin in order to pay their employees. So a lot of these payment services are going to be overloaded with volume right now, and they are accumulating heavy. Because think about this, they're accumulating heavy. All these people are getting paid now in Bitcoin. All this cryptocurrency and all these wallets are being built, and the all-time high on the Bitcoin network. So what do you think they're doing? They're building this back end of the network for the next big run-up and usage. So they're putting all these networks in place, all these mining networks in place. Even your refrigerator is going to be plugged in and mining in a few years. All the new refrigerators and appliances and stuff like that. Cars are mining. So it's just going to be across our power grid everywhere throughout the United States, the United Kingdom, and now Bitcoin spreading into Africa. Okay, guys? So definitely, okay? Bitcoin price crashes to 20K as deadly candles liquidate 1.2 billion. So Bitcoin liquidations, okay? You can see oh, I didn't spell that right, but whatever. All right, total liquidations, and you can see everything that's happening on the rates. So let's go ahead and take a look and see now people are starting to shift and see 53% long. So a lot of people are long. QB, a lot of people are still short. So the balance is mid-range right here. You can see all of the liquidations coming in, especially after that pullback. So they definitely came by, scooped up their money, especially with these high longs and short liquidations. But you can see the longs, 135 million on Binance, 168 on FTX. So, and wow, OKX is 225. So that they actually had some really heavy orders long. So it looks like somebody went over there and set some really high long levels. But yeah, we'll watch this and you know, take a look at this. CoinGlass Home, open interest. So you can see the open interest 1 hour change. So 7. So the open interest is starting to go into a plus range, which is definitely good. Some of these exchanges, let's see, FTX definitely has a bullish delta, so we're looking in this. Let's go ahead and look in BNB and see what's happening there, because we'll be able to see what's happening with that. Hold on, let me go back here. Bitcoin open interest. Okay, so we have all of these in right now. Okay, and I'm just looking. Hold on, I'm just taking a look at one of these things. Make sure our stream's still running nice. Okay, and then there we go. So those are the total for today. Okay, back to coin market cap. Yes, our main shout out for a video today, Biggie Inu to the moon, just for you guys. Okay, coin market cap 940 billion. So we're gonna monitor and we're gonna stay. We see all of our trending tokens. Bitcoin definitely on the max. People looking into it. We will definitely be tweeting and hanging out for you guys, getting you the best and latest and greatest information and news coming out to you guys. Let's go ahead and look at the 5 minute, and let me just go ahead and take a look at this. Now look at this volatility coming in for Bitcoin. All right, if we can reclaim a 23K, I would definitely say I want to see us come back above this line here on the shorter time frame, which is 22,500. I want to see us trading above that 22,500. That is my expectation. So you guys heard it all. You guys definitely are the best. Mad love to all you guys that follow Jay's strategies and all you guys that tweet and rock out with us all day, every day. Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow at Trades for Radio for the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more. Until the next time, guys.